today I got a new package. Nice surprise in the mail. Let's open this up with this nice box opening. I think I've ordered too many things on Amazon now. And it's a horrible thing. They delivered it at your door and they just leave it there. So this time I asked they take it to the post office because of what's inside. Let's begin opening this. Okay. Oh, more tape. We got some nice bubble wrap. Get rid of that. First box. It's over here. Is a Nikon Z6 camera. And that box kind of feels like everything was light. I was like, am I getting something? And you kind of take it out. I guess it's the box and its whole kind of weight distribution. We get a heavy manual. Z6, Z7, I guess. If anyone wants a Z7, I heard the Z6 was better than the Z7 for video. And it was within my price range. Ooh, here we go. Pull up the first bit. The body. Here we go. There. Beautiful. Z6 Nikon camera. Feels really, really nice. The button. I really enjoy that camera too. The reason I got two cameras. That one's got a articulating screen. But this camera I plan on being behind the camera, so I don't really mind that it doesn't have an articulating screen. You get this kind of do top view. You can kind of do a bottom view if you're filming below. I guess like that. So far, this thing feels brilliant. Let's look at the flappy stuff. Ooh. Ooh, there we go. Some flappy goodness. It's got two flappies, and they kind of swing open, which is kind of nice. I don't know if the RP actually does that. I haven't really tried. Both these cameras, RP, I've only got a little bit of experience with it. I've just been kind of doing photography with it. Did a little bit of video. I haven't got too much time to get out there, but definitely will. Okay, and let's find the other stuff on this. We get the usual strap that I never seem to use. We'll see why. What's with the rest of this box. And a camera charger, or battery charger, I mean. I hear this thing charges in camera, which will be nice. But I guess when you have two batteries, which you're planning on getting more than one battery, you can charge this thing. It has a little separate piece. I don't know if the thing looks like it would rotate. Oh, there we go. Yes, so I guess you can put it on the wall. You can rotate it. It's got a little switch here. You can rotate. It won't move otherwise. Bingo. You can plug it in the wall the odd way, which no one would ever do. Or this way, which is way nicer. Okay, let's go to the cable. The RP didn't have a cable, so what I did is with the RP is I've been doing this kind of wireless Bluetooth, or I think it's Wi-Fi, right? And it's kind of, if your computer turns off, you have to start all over again, which is kind of nonsense. I need a cord for that one. This one looks like we have USB regular to USB-C, like the C. Okay, there's that. There's got to be the battery. There we go. And one Nikon Z battery. This is a ENEL 15B 7 volt. believe this one's got more power than the RP. Not knocking the RP, I love the RP, the EOS RP Canon, which I'm filming on right now. It's got I got a new lens on that one. We'll get into that in another video. It's a 16 to 35 millimeter zoom. It's only a f4, but the price was right. And some other little thing, I don't even know what this is. Cable holder. I think this thing organizes cables, right? Must screw into the camera somewhere. We will look for that. Okay, that looks like everything out of the camera box. So the next box, you can't have a camera just with the body by itself. The next box we got here, boom, 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 a lens. Oh yeah. It's got a nice little either cloth or something. Maybe you put the lens in, or maybe it's a cleaner. Let's find out. Looks like it is a cleaner. Looks like you can put something in it too. Like a rabbit pouch or something. Bingo. Put that over there. A little warranty, lens information, user manual. I think I got too many user manuals for all the electronics I was buying. In here, on this side, these little hoods. Kind of impressed with the RP right now and how it's zooming. A little fun with myself there. I don't know if it's fun for you. It might be cut out of the video. I got this little monitor, a Field World monitor now, so I could see the little flip screen on the Canon EOS RP is rather small. I couldn't really see what's going on. This one's probably going to look weird. I might have to stop looking at the monitor and look at the lens. But there we go. 50 millimeter 1.8 f-stop. It's got more weight to it. I thought it was going to, everyone was saying it's really, really light lens. I was picturing it's going to be this kind of annoyingly, like it didn't even feel like a lens. But it does have some weight to it. It does feel good. The focus ring is beautiful. Let's go a whole stop. Looks like it just focuses to infinity. Yes. I got the 50 millimeter burst because I heard great things about this lens. But 50 millimeter is what you see with your eyes, so I figured that would be your best bet. To start with, I want a 24 millimeter, was the other one I was looking at, and probably the next lens I will get. Okay, let's get this lens cap off. Look at that sensor. Oh, really like the idea of the Z6 because of this huge ring. This camera is definitely sexy. And let's match up our dots. I think on the last video I couldn't figure out the dots. Oh, there we go. That is a nice camera. So what we'll be able to do is probably now we've got this camera, I can talk about the other camera, and with the other camera I can talk about this camera, because we can film. It's a handy thing about having two cameras. I guess everyone always has their old camera and then they go into it with their old camera, but I bought two cameras. I'm not rich at any chance of that, but I have a credit card and we'll have to pay all this off. But yeah, this is a really nice camera. I think maybe what we'll have to do is turn this thing on. So I'll need to charge a battery. All right, well, this battery's charging here. I got another thing to unbox. By the way, I got this Rode Wireless Go mic, which I really like. I got it because I had the mic. I bought a DD mic, and sound, because it was so far away from the camera, wasn't really that good. I think I can put the DD mic back on because I'm so close to the camera now with that other lens. But that being said, I never like the camera straps that come with the camera. It's kind of like a kit lens. I never liked the kit lens. So I got one of these slides, Peak design. I got one from the other camera as well. And this one I got the gray, or oak, I think it was called. What is this one? Ash. It's one of these boxes that it seems like you have to totally demolish in order to get it out, which makes returning stuff hectic, but I don't plan on returning a camera strap. There we go. The thing I really like about these Peak straps is you can kind of put these little circles on. It seems like I got something different with this one. Last time, this time I got 2 circles. I think I might have thrown away the second circle on the last one, unfortunately. Or maybe it's in the bag somewhere in the drawer. Okay, let's put this knife somewhere safe so I don't sit on it. And get the strap on. A lot of this part might be cut out. That's okay. I hope the quality of the video is good. I'm going to eventually download Magic Lantern for the Canon so I can film in flat. And for the Nikon, I think it's got some Cine flat, I think it's called. And I did download that. Pre-downloaded it. I'll get that on the camera whenever I can. I'll probably make a video where that's happening. Okay. These things are so sweet. Except for putting them on. This is probably the most boring part of this video. Well, actually, the whole thing's probably boring for you out there. But see, I can edit now. So we'll be able to edit this out. All the boring bits. We'll probably break it down to like a 30-second video because it's so boring. I think I gotta start looking at the camera as it. We'll figure that out too. There we go. Just goes with my gray Mr. Rogers sweater. I really like these hooks better on the Nikon Z6, probably Z7 too. On the Canon, you get these like little dinky things. It's like can only really put on one of these things, but I got these wrist things as well that I'll break out in a bit here. But yeah, that's pretty nice. The next thing you need, if you get a Nikon Z6, is you need a card. You need a special card. You just can't use your SD cards. These are these, what do they call it again? QXD, I think. This one's called Tough. It was $159. Not cheap. 64 gig. And that is Canadian prices. unfortunately. So let's open that up. This thing, I don't even know if it's the right one. Let's definitely try this out. Hey, there should be a door. It says card. And yeah, and they sent me the wrong card.